These are all the body part of my power supply. These two wooden part are for our power supply sides. Also made air exhaust system for the fan, and this is the front panel our power supply where will be various controlling facility. This one for back for AC power cable source. And here you can see this is all 3D printed part. Wait, how I found it? So that is why I open Fusion 360. I make a design for it, and see here, this is really beautiful, isn't it? Okay, here you can see this is 10-ton potentiometer by which I can precisely adjust my power supply voltage. And of course this is cooling fan for cooling everything inside in this box. And this is AC jack and power on off switch. According to my plan, I use spacer for bottom part because make some space for looking good, really looking good, right? And I am pretty sure you know guys what kind of board it is. I make a video about on it. This is the main motherboard for this power supply, so definitely you should watch this video. So this is a very good success, at least for me, for power supply, and this one really work great. So that is why I suggest you watch this video to understand everything. This is ST7735 display. This is pretty much bright. Even in this display you can see your voltage, watt, ampere, even you can set your desired current. This is 30 volt 5 ampere SMPS. This one I collect from old thermal printer, so I have to place this SMPS in my power supply like this way. Since this is a dual channel power supply, so that is why I need another SMPS. So definitely this SMPS also should be placed like previous one. I also collect this cable from old thermal printer because to prevent EMF noise problem, since this is power supply. Here I am going to use 8 ampere buck converter. Those buck converters are really reliable. And here you can see every buck converter has a voltage adjustment and current adjustment potentiometer. So here I have to remove those potentiometer because instead of this I gonna use 10-ton potentiometer for very precisely adjustment voltage that I had already mounted in my front panel, that you know guys. So finally my every connection has been done. So I mount this buck converter in my power supply like this. And you know this is dual channel power supply, so that is why I mount another one. So exactly this is what my power supply look like. As you can see, my power supply has booted up without any smoke. This is a good news. And now the question may came in your mind, how to it actually work? Okay, suppose my desired voltage is 5, so I will set my power supply to 5 volt. Now how much current do you want? So I will press the selection current button here, you can see, and slowly increase my current potentiometer, and I set it 2 ampere. And see here, whenever I short my power supply output wire, this power supply's display showing me roughly 2 ampere is consuming. That means everything is okay. Even my power supply is also working great.